Hey my friends, welcome to my KleverNews AI review. My name is Keiron Hogg, and in this review I'm going to show you all about KleverNews AI. We're going to go into the members area and we're actually going to create a site step by step. I'll show you how easy it is to do that. We're going to check out the sales page. We're going to learn more about RAMs, the creators' bonuses, also my bonuses that are more geared to helping you get more traffic and also to increase your email list, plus my mega bonus bundle of 270 bonuses for free. And guys, stick around to the end as I've got an extra bonus that you don't want to miss as well. So without wasting time, I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. My name is Keiron Hogg. This is my channel where I do product reviews and also show you various ways to make money online. KleverNews is a product where you can create your own news websites in just a matter of moments. It's going to go live on Saturday, May 20th at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time, with a front end of $18, but there is a $5 code and I'll put that up on what to type in to get that $5 off right here. All right, you guys, let's learn a little bit more about it and then we can get into the members area. So you can now harness the power of ChatGPT to create automated viral news sites with a single keyword in less than 60 seconds. Automatically update the site from top-notch sources like CNN, BBC, Fox News in the real time. Guys, we have a demo in here, a demo video that Ram will show you step by step how to do it, but I'm also going to show you as well. Ram goes into a little bit more detail about how you can actually monetize the site by putting banners and adding your affiliate links in there. So you can check out that. I'm going to leave that in the description down below as well for you to watch. But let's learn a little bit more about it before we jump into the members area. KleverNews is the world's first digitally fully AI-driven app that creates and hosts updating websites. So guys, it's 3 simple steps. You're going to select a theme and enable your AI content for the news. You're going to enter your affiliate links to make huge money, which is how you're going to monetize it, and submit and publish your new site with 1 click. Here is the funnel, guys. There's a big funnel, but let's jump over now to the members area. So here is the dashboard. On the left here, we've got create new site, create new, view sites, done for you email automation, your autoresponder, your STMP, your traffic stats, your leads can all be captured here as well, your offers and done for you swipes, your sub users, and here are the OTOs. The training for this is going to be up here as well, but I do think you should also watch that 11-minute video that Ram Rawat created to show you step by step. We're going to check out the bonuses in just a moment. So guys, if I just go to create new site, so create new. Now what we want to do here is you just want to give it a title first. Now I'll make mine about sports and highlights, for example. Okay, now here are the different themes that you can try. So it doesn't matter which one for this demo. I'll just click on the first one here. Now we want to select a domain type and enter subdomain. And we can add your logo, you can add your address, your SM profiles, you can select the theme, select news category. You can have automation, your autoresponder, how you will link that up. You do that right here. And you can configure your opt-in and configure your affiliate link. I'm just going to go ahead and just click continue. Okay, guys, so I want sports, like I said, so I'm going to put in that's for my category. And let's see. All right, so we have the admin username here, we have the admin password, and the email here. Okay, so let's submit. Okay, you guys, so that literally took about 5 seconds to process after I clicked it in here. So this is also where you can capture people's emails as well. And as you can see, This is an up-to-date sports highlight website, all right? Guys, Lomachenko, amazing fighter, by the way. There's LeBron, so we lost a grieving today. Grieving LeBron James joins thousands of fans. So Game 2 of the Nuggets and Lakers series just ended. So as you can see, this is up-to-date sports information. And all these banners here, guys, see these little 728 times 90, 320 times 250, here, here, here. This is where you will monetize your site. So there's training on how to, you can go to ClickBank and you can get any kind of hot link from ClickBank, and you can put your banner ad in all of these places, and you could have multiple offers depending on if it's sports. So you'll have obviously probably health and fitness, things related in here, or various kinds of products, basketballs or whatever, apparel, could be anything, right? If you made something about entertainment, then you could have another product, makeup or something like that. But the cool thing is, this took less than a minute to create, actually. It was amazing. So in the video and in the training that I will post down below that Ram does, he shows you how you can actually monetize this. So I think this is pretty fantastic, guys. Top news, pages, contacts. So really amazing how fast the AI is working now. Okay, let's jump over to the sales page. All right, I'm going to take you to the sales page now. We're going to learn a little bit more about it. Now, this sales page is very large, so I'm not going to go step by step over it. I'm going to let you read it on your own time. But look here, guys, this is the $5 coupon code. So you're just going to click KNEWS5 to get $5 off. And you already know this, so you're going to create self-updating viral news websites, launch your very first news website, one-click, sell these spectacular news sites on Flippa, eBay, Facebook for maximum profit. So you can actually farm these out. You could be your own freelance company, creating these on Fiverr and other places, Upwork, etc., and making a side business if you get the upgrades to be able to have unlimited design capabilities with this. Instantly scrape top-notch news. These AI-powered news websites drive limitless traffic. Guys, I'm gonna let you watch this on your own time. Just take you through here. Here are some testimonials. So it's 3 steps, very, very basic. I'm gonna take you now, guys, to the to the bonuses here. So here are just some earnings that Ram has made recently. Okay, so here are the bonuses. So the free gift, the first 100 smart action takers get access to KleverNews AI unlimited reseller license. So if this is a product that you think is intriguing and you're thinking about getting it, you are better to act earlier rather than later. You will be getting this license, reseller license, if you are one of the first 100 members to pick this up. Okay. And guys, here's some more bonuses. So 20,000 professional logos for news websites, 15,000 social media templates to increase your traffic, 50,000 premium fonts for your website, 666 YouTube video views, case study, I believe, not cast study, 17,000 news motion graphics templates, 3,000 plus animated graphics for your news website, guaranteed approval on 20 plus offers done for you swipes, premium link tracker, 109 WordPress themes bundles. So a lot of bonuses that Ram is offering, and there are some more that I'm going to show you in just one moment, including my bonuses as well. So a grand total of $10,000 with only $17, but with the coupon code, you're even going to get it for less than that. So let me take you over now, guys. I'm going to show you my bonuses. So here is the KleverNews AI demo video. I'm going to leave that in here. You can watch it on your own time. I'm going to check that out in just a moment. Now, guys, like I said, my bonuses are more geared to helping you increase your email list and also different ways to get traffic to spread out your message. So you will be getting more clicks on your site and you'll be getting more commissions as well. Okay, guys, so the first one is a 10,000K email manifesto. Another one is if you're going to be using YouTube to promote your site as well. These are 3 tricks that I use every time I create a YouTube video to help me increase the traffic and the engagement that I think a lot of people don't know that you're going to get a lot of value from. Another one, guys, is a 7-figure affiliate marketer's 3 best traffic sources. Okay, these are a little bit more underground, so I think you're going to get some good value from that. And guys, Bing ads. So Bing ads is actually one of the traffic sources that the 7-figure affiliate is talking about. This is going to show you actually how to implement it with the training and actually be able to get more people using to your product, because a lot of people are just using Google. This is less used, so it's cheaper, and this is step-by-step guidance on how you can do that. Also, guys, my mega bonus bundle of 270 bonuses for free.
Can you dig it?
That's right. And the vendor bonuses, guys. So we just looked at some of Ram's bonuses. I'm going to show you some more in just a moment. To get all of this, you're just going to click on any of these yellow tabs, like so. It's going to take you to the sales page. Click on any of these to get your copy here, and then it will go to Warrior Plus. Click on that blue button right there, and you're going to get access then to all of the bonuses. So if I just take you to my mega bonus bundle, you're going to see that there are 270 here. Everything with YouTube, how to get more engagement, how to get more traffic with YouTube, Facebook, different ways that you can use Facebook, the power of Facebook, SEO, blogs, if you want to create your own blog, how you're going to do that, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram influencers, WordPress, tutorials on how to create your own website if you want, on WordPress, email marketing. There are videos, there are PDFs for all of these things as well. If you want to have your own clothing brand like Printful, Printify, I'm thinking Shopify, Printful, also real estate. There are just tons and tons of different things in here that you can use. 270. All right. Also, guys, I'm going to show you what Ram is giving you as well for your bonus. So you're going to get 10 video special bonuses. They're all right here for you to look at. Video special bonus number 1 is the Master YouTube Influence, Video Marketing Domination, the WordPress Video Commission Plugin, Biz Landing Page Plugin, Script Engage Product Review Package, Content Valet Plugin, WordPress YouTube Leads Plugin, Extreme List Build Plugin, and it just keeps going and going and going. So guys, you're going to get a lot of bonuses from this product, from me and from Ram, is what the bottom line is. Okay. Let me take you now to the prices. Okay, so here we go, guys. The front end, you're going to get KleverNews is the world's first fully driven AI. So you've already seen it. You've seen the members area. You can check this out on your own. I put links in here as well, you guys, for all of the OTO sales pages. You can click on that all in here. I've also put them down in here as well. Just put them all together so you can check these out. I don't want to go over each one because that'll make this video almost an hour long. So I left them all in here, linked, hot linked, ready for you to check out, okay? But I will talk about it with you. So the OTO one is remove all the limits from your account, unlock new sites creation, unlock premium website templates, unlock the niches, the web hosting, premium themes, commercial license, everything for unlimited profits. So if you do want to be a freelancer, if you do want to be creating these for other people as a viable side business, you're going to want to think about getting OTO 1. Okay, the SEO edition is rank simple little videos from multiple keywords at once on page 1 of Google and YouTube. Make them stay ranked for years, right? So you can consider that for yourself. The list building edition, number 3, revolutionary way to build huge email lists that are 10 times more engaging, 10 times cheaper, 10 times more sales with that. Also, guys, my bonus is the 10,000 email manifesto. So you're going to get some email related material and training, regardless if you do get OTO 3 or not. And the reseller edition at $147, so this will be something that you can rebrand and sell as your own. And again, guys, we have the Vid Tsunami is the OTO 5 right here. You can check that out. The Graphics Creator right here. The Graphics Creator Pro right here. The Reseller Edition and the Profit Pack right here. Okay, so $297 and $497. So an upgrade and a downgrade. Okay. And the main points with KleverNews AI, as you know, it is a self-updating news website. You can launch your very first news website with their done-for-you stunning templates. Again, guys, you can look at this on your own time. There is a lot of text in this particular bonus page that I have, so you can check this out on your own time. There's also a lot of text with the sales page as well, so you can go on through that. It's all going to be down in my description. And guys, again, just to go through my bonuses, the 10K email manifesto, 3 ways to explode your YouTube view rate, 7-figure affiliate marketers best traffic sources, the Bing Ads mastery training, my mega bonus bundle, and all of the bonuses that RAM is offering as well. Guys, you've got 5 days to do this, and it does go live Saturday, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. With the bonus code, it'll only be about $13. So there's tons of value that you're going to be getting for just about 3 Starbucks coffees, maybe 2 Starbucks coffees. Okay, so a lot of value in my opinion. I like RAM's products. That's why I always enjoy promoting them. All right, guys, this concludes my KleverNews AI review. If you do decide to get it through my link, I have another bonus that I think you're going to get a lot of value from. I certainly did. And if you want some free training on how to make $1,000 to $5,000 US paydays, check in my banner right here for some free training, some case studies, testimonials. There's lots of valuable information here that I think you're going to enjoy. All right, my friends, thank you again for watching my KleverNews AI review. I hope you got some value from it. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment, hit that like button, and hit that subscribe button so you're always notified when I create a new video. Until then, guys, all the best and best of luck on your journey. I'll talk to you soon.